Why is my Omnipod not connecting to my Dexcom? Causes and what to do to fix it. Omnipod not connecting to my Dexcom. Causes. Cause 1. Incorrect transmitter serial number. SN entering an outdated or incorrect SN can prevent pairing. Cause 2. Using the Dexcom receiver. The Omnipod 5 system is designed to work with the Dexcom mobile app, not the standalone receiver. Having the receiver powered on can interfere with the connection. Cause 3. Pod and sensor placement. Wearing the pod and Dexcom sensor on opposite sides of your body can obstruct the Bluetooth signal. Cause 4. Old pod still active. An old pod that's still active or within range can interfere with the new pod's connection. Cause 5. Sensor warm-up period. During the Dexcom sensor's warm-up phase, 2 hours for G6, 30 minutes for G7, the Omnipod 5 won't receive glucose readings. This is normal and should resolve once the warm-up is complete. Omnipod not connecting to my Dexcom. What to do? Step 1. Verify and update the transmitter serial number, SIN. Open the Omnipod 5 app. Navigate to menu Manage Sensor. If the current SN is incorrect, tap Delete to remove it. Enter the new SN manually. Tap Save, then confirm to initiate pairing. Step 2. Turn off the Dexcom receiver. Power off the Dexcom receiver completely. Select the Shutdown or Power Off option in the receiver menu to power it down. Use the Dexcom mobile app on a compatible smartphone for readings. Step 3. Ensure proper device placement where both the pod and Dexcom sensor on the same side of your body. Avoid placing them too far apart to maintain a strong Bluetooth connection. Step 4. Deactivate old pods. Properly deactivate any old pods. Use the Omnipod 5 app or controller to select and deactivate the pod, then remove it from your body. Ensure they are at least 20 feet 6 meters away from your current setup. Step 5. Restart devices. For Omnipod 5 controller, hold down the power button for approximately 10 seconds. Tap Power Off and let the device turn off completely. Turn the device back on. For compatible smartphone, restart your smartphone by pressing the power button and click on Restart. Open the Omnipod 5 app and check the connection status. Step 6. Wait for sensor warm-up. Wait until the warm-up period is complete. 2 hours for G6, 30 minutes for G7. Once complete, the Omnipod 5 should start receiving readings. If neither the Dexcom app nor the Omnipod 5 are receiving readings, contact Dexcom at 844-607-8398.